Welcome to another XB video. In my quest for searching the perfect phone holder, I have to admit I already bought too many of them. My second last purchase was a magnetic phone holder which you place on your steering wheel. Installing the mount on the steering wheel is actually pretty straightforward. And it's also made of metal, which makes it very strong and durable, and it's also made from a self-balancing wheel bearing. And that's the hardest part. If you don't install the iron plate on the back of your mobile phone perfectly, in terms of weight distribution, it will become very difficult for the self-balancing bearing wheel when cornering, etc. And there's a rub for me, which caused me countless frustrations, and eventually, in the end, I threw it in the trash. And then this one came along. A magnetic phone holder specially made for the Volkswagen Golf 7 so that it perfectly matches the interior design and takes into account the incision of the flashing indicator. A mount that does not consist of too many parts, which speeds up and makes it easier to install. I bought it for about 15 euros with free shipping. Delivery took about 8 days and came neatly delivered in a small box. All items were very neatly separated packed in little plastic bags. And I also received two black iron plates that you can stick on the back of your phone simultaneously or separately for spare parts. The mount is made of plastic and provided with piano lacquer. The mount is a click-on system, after which you insert the magnet vertically on it. The magnet itself is quite strong and does not let go of your phone easily. To determine the direction of the magnet, and therefore indirectly also the orientation of the screen of your phone, you need to loosen up the screw at the back of the magnet, set your preferred direction, and then tighten it again. I'm happy to show you the quick and easy installation of the magnetic phone holder for your Volkswagen Golf 7. There's only one way to install the mount, and you can hardly install it wrong. Once the mount has been clicked on, you can press hard to make sure it is fixed. Next comes the magnetic holder that you slide in vertically as mentioned earlier. Once set up, you only have to determine the direction of the screen and finally you can tighten it. Only loosening and tightening is the opposite direction of the rotation. I had not thought of that, hence the nickname, two left-handed gadgeteer. No wrong direction is possible when inserting the magnetic holder vertically, so that is one last thing you have to worry about. Once you have set everything up and stick the iron plate to the back of your phone, you can place your phone on the magnetic mount. Only thing to do is to enjoy your holder. I also made a small mini test drive with a roundabout and held it to see if the magnetic holder was strong enough for the test drive. So far so good. Even after the mini test drive, the click-on system was still very sturdy mounted and not filmed, but now, a few weeks later, I can only say that it's still firmly mounted and does its job as a magnetic phone holder much more than desired. By the way, I'm using Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, so you can get an idea of size and weight. So, I finally found a valuable and high quality magnetic phone holder that I can recommend to everybody.